Hello. In this tutorial, I will introduce the key elements of the Lighting tab, including the different lighting templates available, the key data inputs, and daylighting controls. The data entered in this tab governs the lighting performance and can have a significant impact on internal heat gains, energy consumption, and carbon emissions. Designbuilder provides a number of lighting templates. The available choices will depend to some extent on other model options.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.